everyone, I am Priya and welcome back to my channel. So today I have got two products from Aztec Secret. These are the two products which they have sent me. The clay and this one is the apple cider vinegar. These two products are to be used together. I will be using these products today and reviewing it for you guys. So this is the 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, and they have sent this apple cider vinegar to be mixed with this clay. But if you don't have apple cider vinegar to be used with this clay, then you can actually skip that step and you can use water or rose water also. So they claim that this product, that is the clay, is a world's most powerful facial. I have actually used both of these products once so that I can better review it for you people. Actually I felt a very effective result. If you are facing problems like acne, this is a very good solution for you people. If you are facing problems like scar and pigmentation, then also you can go for this product. It's a unisex product, so both men and women can use this, and there is no age limit. So if you are a teenager facing acne problem, you can go for it. If you are a middle-aged person facing fine lines or wrinkles, then also you can go for it. Anyone with any kind of skin type can use this product. I have sensitive skin and oily T-zone, and I have used it. If you are having normal skin, then also you can use it. On the back of this bottle, they have mentioned the duration for which you have to use it depending on your skin type. So like if you have delicate skin or sensitive skin like mine, I have used it for 5 to 10 minutes. And if you have normal skin, then you can go for 15 to 20 minutes. They have also claimed that if you apply it on your skin, you will feel pulsating effect. The important factor which you have to keep in mind while preparing it is that you cannot use metallic utensil. I did a little bit research behind this, and I found that it contains bentonite, and bentonite actually reacts with the metallic utensils. You have to use any non-metallic utensil or a plastic utensil for preparing it. So now to prepare the clay, we will need the clay from the Aztec Secret and the vinegar from the Aztec Secret. I have taken a glass bowl and a wooden spoon because both of them are not metallic. So I will open up this box. As you can see, I have already tried it once. I'll take a spoonful of clay here. Spoonful of this vinegar also. I have mixed it properly, as you can see. Now with the help of this brush, I'm going to apply it. And I will keep it for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so 5 minutes are over, and you can see there is a little bit drying of clay over my T-zone, and because my skin is sensitive, so I would wash it now. I have washed my face, and as you can see, there is no redness even though I have a sensitive skin. Last time when I used it, I kept it for around 15 minutes, and then I found a little bit of redness here, but this time I've kept it for 15 minutes only. So that's the benefit. If you follow the time guideline, you will get awesome results. Become clear, and there is no dryness at all. With most of the face packs, I feel dryness after washing my face, but with this clay the results are awesome, and I will give a thumbs up for this clay. Do try it and let me know in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment below.